Hi, I'm going to show you how to change the filters in your Danby Portable Air Conditioner. This is mine. It's black. They also come in white. This is the one that usually has the one big hose that comes out of the back here. I disconnected it just to show you how to change the filters. There's 3 filters. 1, 2 here on the side, and 3 here on the back. I'll turn it around so you can see it a little better. So this top filter, I've already cleaned it, but it was kind of challenging to figure out how to take it out. Simply put, you just grab this tab, pull back and lift out, and that's it right there. And there's the back of your air conditioner. So I'll put this one over here for now, but I'll show you how to take that one apart because the plastic part actually and the filter come apart. The other one's here on the side. So first, you sort of grab this little bar right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. There's a little bar here. You just pull that out a little bit. There's the inspector to make sure I'm doing it right. So you'll see you make a little gap here when you pull this tab, and this pulls right out straight like that. So this is it. Again, just slides right into this gap and slides out here. Put that with this one. Then the third one is right behind here, and there's another little tab here that you grab hold of, and it just slides right out. So there's your third one. So the one I wanted to show you, the first one here, the filter actually comes off this plastic back. So if you see this plastic back part, which is pretty heavy plastic, the filter is actually just part of it here. And so all you need to do is, let me show you. This comes off, and that's it. So you'll see there's like a little tab here that slides behind. So once it's past that, the whole piece comes out, and that's your filter. So to clean these, all you have to do is, if the air is coming in this way, you're going to want to flip it over and use warm water from your sink or in your tub or in your shower, and just basically spray it to get all of the dust off of it. It's pretty quick and easy. If you've been waiting too long to clean it, like, you should be changing this probably like every 2 weeks and more. If you're using it really frequently, and if you're in a dusty environment, like if you're on a dirt road and stuff like that, you're going to want to clean it probably once a week. But when they're clean, it should be like this. It should almost be transparent. And that's it. To put this back in again, it's just the exact reverse. Again, keep an eye on these 2 tabs. You get your filter in, so it goes behind the 2 tabs. And then up here, you click it into place. See this tab right there? Make sure it's underneath that. And that's it. It's all in perfectly. So I'll do the exact same thing in reverse. So this one you should be putting in before the other one. So this just, again, let me see if I can get you more in the light here. So again, this one just slides in here. That's it, it's in. This other one slides back in over here. Turn a little bit. So make sure this tab that you slide in the first one is pointing in, not sticking out. So you see how it's flush here? You can't see it really. Right there. This other one, same sort of thing. Just slide it behind. And then you'll see it sticks out a little, so you give it a little push, and it actually clicks into place. Like that. Like that, because there's like a little clamp on the other side. One on the top is probably the easiest one. You see this little thing, that's the top. At the bottom there's the 2 holes. So the 2 holes line up with the 2 tabs at the bottom of the filter, and you just put it right back in again. That's it. That's how you take out and replace the filters. Really quick and easy. The big thing too that you're going to want to do is, even though you're cleaning the filter material, you're going to want to take a warm soft cloth and wipe this outside plastic grill as well. Same thing with the outside here. Same with over here as well. And then you should have a air conditioner that lasts you a really long time. So that's my Danby air conditioner. Like I said, usually there's a black hose here that's attached. And there's the model number, if that helps you out. And that's it. That's how you change your and clean your filters on the Danby air conditioner. Hope you liked it. Thanks. Bye. So the one thing I forgot to mention is that when you do change these filters out, you got to let them dry before you put them back in again. So before you put them back in, like give them a shake and then put them on a towel so that they dry out completely before you reinsert them. Otherwise, you're just going to be pulling humidity and that moisture into the air conditioner, and that's not good. And that's it. And like I said, when you're doing all that, wipe it all down with a warm washcloth, a soft cloth, and you should be having a perfect air conditioner.